Record. Hi YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. All that you need is a piece of paper. Any type of paper. Okay, first you're going to do like what I call a hamburger fold. Okay, so do that fold. Required to do it on a hard surface, but I'm just so educated and skilled at this, so okay. Next, you need to make a triangle into the crease. Into the middle fold there. You need two of them. Okay. This is just a rough thing. So it will look like this. Now you fold it in half again in your crease that you already made. And you can pick how low you want it to be. Personally, I like it lower, they fly better. Okay. You do both on both sides. There you go. You got your paper airplane.
Okay, they didn't see that part when it flashed.